Dr. Rashid Butter oo Mareykanka ah ayaa shaaca ka qaaday oo sheegay inuu Mareykanka ka dambeeyay coronavirus.
That look, there's no justification for this kind of research. There's a potential for it to cause harm, cause a pandemic. So there's no justification for us to do this type of research. So the government passed a moratorium in 2014. Fauci approved budgets to be monies to be section for this type of research. So basically, and I'm getting really, every time I think about this, it gets me really flustered because I'm so angry that he basically broke the law. He more than broke the law. He created this entire cascade that we're seeing with the world shutdown was created by this initial aspect back in 2015. He broke the law. He went against government moratoriums. He took taxpayer money and he funded research that has now led to the COVID-19. In 2017, he was documented at Georgetown University saying that there will be a pandemic that this presidency will face, that this term will face. How did he know that in 2017 that something was going to happen in 2018, 19, or 2020? You can't predict the market from 3 days from today, what's going to happen. How did he know that there was going to be a pandemic? He stated the president of this president will face a pandemic. The exact quotes, I don't want to say the exact words. You guys have the video footage. My point is that when somebody starts making these type of statements, and then they were involved with the breaking of the law to fund the research that American taxpayers paid for, that then goes to Wuhan and now trying to create this diversion and say that it's China. God, I don't know whether it came from China or released in China, whether it was already released here. It's irrelevant. The complicity of what's going on right now, whether it was released in China or whether it was already here or however it happened, the U.S. system has condoned it, has jumped on it. They're opportunistic. They're shutting down the economy when they know, in fact, that there's no basis. I mean, there's no virus that leaves 6 feet or 12 feet. Now they're saying 13 feet. Complete misinformation. And I'm sorry that you've pulled the chain on me right now, but the mainstream media...
sidoo hadalku dhigay dhakhtarka wuxuu leeyahay waxaa lagu talagalay madaxweyne Donald Trump inuu dhibaato la kulmo oo culeys ah xagga dhaqaalaha saas ayaa loo sii daayay coronaviruska markaa fiirisid siyaasiyiintan dhexdooda ay ummadda ku la'anayaan adduunka Soomaalida fiirisid sidoo kale al-shabaab iyo dawladda dhexdooda ay bulshada ku la'anayaan marka siyaasiyiinta ayaa ummadda baabi'inaysa